Pugdaddy, 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 Great Lakes, listen.
I'm singing. I hear you in the background singing, but I can't get the 28 to put it straight to get up in your receiver. So I'll just wave. 4-1 and a happy 2016 wave.
How about that Red Rooster? Red Rooster, 388 Pugdaddy, Great Lakes, trying. Hey, sounding good, Red Rooster. Holy crap, man, I'm trying to break through on that 220 high voltage out there in Tennessee, man. That's all I hear is his numbers being hollered. How you doing out there, Red Rooster? You sounding 10-8 in my state. 388 Pugdaddy, Great Lakes waving. Hey, appreciate that, Red Rooster. You take care, my friend. It's getting rough up here in the Great Lakes, man. We got us a train wreck. We got them piled a mile high. Hey, you take care, Red Rooster. 388 Pugdaddy, Great Lakes, your Facebook friend. 73s.
Hey, 73s, my Facebook friend. Good old Pugdaddy, man. Hey, you have a good one out there. Keep up the action. I'm going to be listening out for you. You go do what you got to do, and I'll be here.
All right, take care, Red Rooster. Hey, look this up on channel 28, Good Time Gang Video Gates. I got you all recorded here, man. You sounded good too. Hey, you take care, 73s. How about you out there in DX land? 388 Pugdaddy, Great Lakes, trying. I heard somebody coming back, but man, it's rough out there. Come on back, let's try it again. 388 Pugdaddy waving. Peepin Charlie, downtown Los Angeles, California, 388 Pugdaddy waving.
Yeah, I just rolled that 388 sounds good coming out of the Great Lakes. We're part of the Great Lakes,
I'm in central Michigan there, Peepin Charlie. Where you at? Los Angeles?
Right downtown Los Angeles, California there, right?
Roger that, Peepin Charlie. Hey, got you on the video gate, man. You're sounding good up here in the Great Lakes, too. You're right up over the pile. 388 Pugdaddy, 73s. Man, it's rough out there. We gone.